Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we're going to be looking at the practical guide on how to file annual returns in Nigeria for a registered business name. So a lot of people have been asking me how can they file their annual returns to the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, going by the virtue of the Company and Allied Matters Act 2020, every registered business are expected to file their annual returns on yearly basis. So, and that is what I'm going to be showing you right now on how you can file your annual returns um, to the Corporate Affairs Commission. So before we move further to the practical section, let's quickly understand the requirements to file an annual returns for a registered business name. Number one is you need a status report. The status report contains information about the owner of the business. So we need a status report. And number two is the turnover. Our CSC would like to know how much how much sales did you make for that year that you want to file the return. So let's take for instance that you want to file annual returns for 2023. Now your turnover represents the total sales you made from January to December or within your financial year for that particular year. Then the net assets, let me explain what net asset is. Now the net asset, this represents your own funds in the business or in your business. So assuming your business worth like 5 million naira, and out of which 4 million naira is yours and the remaining balance of 1 million naira is owned by your capital providers like loan from banks or trade creditors. Now the 4 million in this instance represents your net assets, which is the money you have in your own business as at that particular financial year, assuming it is 2023. So having understood the requirements to file annual returns, let's quickly dive into the practical section of it. So the first thing you need to do is for you to log into your dashboard. I've already logged into my dashboard. Then now I'm just using this particular business for this tutorial, which is Samsudeen Business Ventures. So now this is how the portal looks like. Then you click on annual returns, then you click on start annual returns here. Now these are additional requirements that you need to take note of. Number one says annual returns should be filed not later than 30th June. Default will attract penalty. Yeah, if you fail to file your annual return as at the year in which you're supposed to file, you are going to pay a penalty for it. So it is very important that you take note of it and ensure you file your annual returns as at when due. Then you click on start process here. Now it will direct you to these annual return forms that you are expected to fill. Now you start from the principal business activities classification 1. This particular business is into sales of provision, so I will select general merchandise here. General merchandise. Then under principal activity description, I will just type in general merchandise. General merchandise. What's happening? Merchandise here. Just type in this as the principal activity description. Then under the principal place of business, the system will automatically autofill the informations of the client, so you don't need to add any other thing. Under add branch, this particular business does not have a branch. Then under proprietors or partners type, so this is a sole proprietorship business, so it is an individual proprietor. Then surname, now you see the essence of the status report is for us to get biodata of or personal information of the owner of the business. So I'll go to the status report and get the name and other information of the owner of the business. Click on add partner. Informations will appear. Now year is not filed, automatically the system will tell us the year that we have not filed for. Now this business was registered in the year 2022, so our filing is for 2023. That's why it is showing year is not filed for, and 2023 appears. So I will go down under annual returns details. Now annual returns for the year ended is 2023. Is very important. Financial year starts, we use 2023 January. Every financial year starts January 1st. Then for this particular business, so not every financial year, every business have their own financial year, but for this particular business it starts at 1st of January 2023, then it ends at December 31st 2023. So I will select December 2023 here. Now the turnover, like I told you, turnover represents the sales for the year 2023. Now I will just, since this is just a dummy annual return filing, so I will not go too detail. Now the turnover here, I will just say 5 million naira. 5 million naira. Wow, 5 million naira. 1 2 3. Then net assets, like I told you, net asset represents your own fund or your own money in the business. So if your business worth, let's say 5 million, and what you have in the business is 4 million, is your own, is your net asset. Good. Now under the full name, you have to type in the name of the owner of the business. Owner of the business, description, who is he? Is a business owner. Then you click on save and continue. No thanks. So when you click on save and continue, to now direct you to the second stage, which is the preview stage. Another preview, you have to go through your work and ensure that it is error free. So I'm going through the information that I've provided, it is correct. Then I'll click on proceed to payment. Proceed to payment. Now, so this is where you're supposed to make payment for the annual returns. So after making your payment, you will now be directed to the fourth stage, which is for you to upload documents. Now, since you don't have your financial reports for your business, it is a small business, and most businesses like small and medium enterprises, they don't keep accurate financial record. So under the upload, when you click on upload, you're not to upload any document. Rather, you just click on submit, so that your application will be submitted to the Corporate Affairs Commission for review, and when they are okay with it, they will approve it. Then you can now log into the portal and download your acknowledgement copy that shows that you have filed your annual return for the year. So that's how it is. If you have any question, you can always reach out to me. Check the description of this video, you'll see my contact. Reach out to me for more guide and support. Thank you.